Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will talk about the list interface in Java. List is an ordered collection of objects in which duplicate values can be stored. Means you can store the duplicate value in list interface. Since list preserves the insertion order, it allows the potential access and insertion of the element list interface is implemented by the array list and the linked list and vector and stack classes. So list interface is the sub interface of collection. So it's contain method to insert and delete the elements in the indexed base, and it is a factory of list iterators interface. So now we just come to the example of this list interface in Java. So I just import a library which is java.util, and this is a library. And now we have the class name which is list interface, and I just define the main method, and here we have the main and strings and arguments. Okay, now array, and I just use the array list here because the linked list is the sub interface of the collections. Mean you can contain the method to insert and delete the elements in the index base, so that's why I'm just using array list here. And a string which is al is equal to new array list, so al mean array list here, and then a string, and here I just write al dot add and add the name here which is Fayaz. Now al dot add which is Khan, and sorry, now here I just write al dot add, and then I just write, sorry, it is add not add all, this is add, and I just write the Udemy here. And now I just put the value add, and here I just write 2, and I just write the string here which is online. Okay, now print system.out.print, and the print is the print line here, and now I just write, sorry, here element at second position, and now I just write al dot get, and the index here is 2. Now I just use for loop and a string, and the string here is s and al. Now system.out.print line, and the print line here is s. So I just take a string as an s, and then I just take the parameters of al means the array list what I just add. So I just call these methods and system.out.print line here, so it will print the value of s. So value of s are Fayaz, Khan, Udemy and online. So here it is proceed, and I just check the output, and we have the array list, and which is the small list here, I think. Yes, now I just proceed this code and check the output again. So this is for the concatenation here, so I just do not add the plus sign here and execute it again. So you can see the element at second position. So first one is the line, means line here. Then we have means second position elements is online, means this is the value of 2 and it will print online. And then we have Fayaz Khan, Udemy, online and Udemy. So it will just print the second elements like 0, 1 and 2 on online. So this is the example of the list interface in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.